Some of you may have heard of Feuerzangenbowle. You see them at Christmas markets, but it's often just a poor imitation of the actual ceremony. This video will show you what you need for Feuerzangenbowle and what it should look like. The literal translation of Feuerzangenbowle is fire-tongs punch, and to make it you need a Feuerzangenbowle set, of course. I think in times of global internet trade it shouldn't be a problem to get one. It consists of the tongs, the pot and the burner. The recipes for Feuerzangenbowle are very different. I like to use 1/3 or to a half freshly squeezed orange juice for my Feuerzangenbowle. This makes the punch extra fruity. Then you need a red wine. It doesn't have to be a Grand Cru, but it should be dry. Otherwise the Feuerzangenbowle will be too sweet. Of course, you can also do it without the orange juice. This is usually the case at the Christmas markets. The spices are particularly important. It is essential to add 2 or 3 cloves and a stick of cinnamon. Then I added 2 star anise. You can also add other Christmas spices such as vanilla or cardamom, depending on your taste. Then heat the spiced wine with the burner until it is hot, but it must not boil. Then the actual ceremony begins. You need a sugar cone for this. This may not be easy to obtain in your country. Let me know in the comments if you have sugar cones. If necessary, you can also use sugar cubes and stack them skillfully on the tongs. Finally, you need strong rum with an alcohol content of over 50%. My rum here has 54%. Now soak the sugar cone with the rum. Take your time with this. The sugar must really be soaked in the rum. And now the real magic begins. You have to light the sugar cone. I'm going to turn off the lights and the music so that you can experience some of the magic. At the end you can pour in the rum again, if not all sugar has burned off. Or you can scrap the rest of the sugar into the punch. Then all you have to do is ladle the punch into a cup and enjoy.